Welcome to Brain Vision.
today. The topic is about solving for pH for weak bases. We note that weak base poorly dissociates into ions in an aqueous solution. So let us suppose a weak base amphetamine, which we denote as AN. So this is our weak base amphetamine. As a weak base, it reacts with water in the aqueous solution according to the following equilibrium equation. So the weak base accepts proton from water and becomes the conjugate acid ANH+, and water being stripped off of the hydrogen ion becomes hydroxide ion. We can represent this with a Kb expression, or the equilibrium constant expression, which is the ratio of the equilibrium concentration of the product ions over the equilibrium concentration of the acid or the base itself. Now note that from the balance equation, 1 mole of ANH plus equals, or equals 1 moles of OH minus. That means for every mole of ANH plus produced, we also have 1 mole of hydroxide that's produced. So it follows that we can say that the concentration at equilibrium of the conjugate acid equals the concentration at equilibrium of the hydroxide ion. So we can rewrite our Kb as, so ANH plus is going to be OH times another OH over AN, or this is OH squared over AN, where the equilibrium concentration of the weak base is equal to its initial concentration minus the amount that dissociated, which we can express in terms of OH as the concentration of OH, and that your Kb, if given with the pKb, we can solve it as negative 10 to the negative pKb. Given with the initial concentration of amphetamine as 225 milligrams per liter, or that's 0.225 grams per liter. So what we need here is that we should convert this to molarity. So what we will do is that we will divide this by the molar mass of amphetamine. So we have 0.225 grams per liter. So 1 mole of amphetamine is weighs 135.2 grams. So as you can see here, the grams cancel, so that we have moles per liter, which is concentration in molarity. So we have 0.00166 moles per liter, or molar. And Kb, given with pKb as negative, or pKb as 4.2, so we have it as 10 to the negative 4.2. So now let's plug them into our Kb equation, and as you can see here, it's only OH that's unknown here, and we will use our calculator to solve for the concentration of OH. Doing that gives us 2.94 times 10 to the negative 4 molar. From here, we solve for POH, which is equal to negative log of the hydroxide ion concentration. So we have negative log of 2.94 times 10 to the negative 4. That's 3.53. And under standard conditions, we know that pH is going to be equal to 14 minus POH. So that will be 14 minus 3.53, and that's equal to 10.47. Hence, this is the pH of the amphetamine solution. I hope that helped.